Hi, in this lesson we are going to cover conditional formatting. This is a really useful tool which allows you to change the format of your data based on certain criteria. There are a number of different ways you can use conditional formatting, so I'm going to give you a quick overview of some of the automated ones and then show you how you can create your own custom formatting based on your specific requirements. So in my spreadsheet here I've got a list of 4 salespeople who have got a monthly target of £20,000 in sales, and I've got in here their sales for the first 4 months of the year. So what I'm going to do now is build a traffic light system from red to green to demonstrate visually which salespeople have hit their targets based on the different months of the year. So first of all, I'm going to highlight the data. You don't need to highlight the months and their names, just the numbers themselves. And on the home page, you've got conditional formatting as an option. So if I go down here, I'm going to show you some of the automated ones. So if you go to, for example, color scales and move your mouse over one of these bars, it's got automated different color scales based on the total data that's in the sheet, and you can sort of play around with that. There's also some nice ones under the icon sets, for example, actual traffic lights or arrows, uh, bars as well. These are all quite useful. But I'm going to show you how to build your own one. So under conditional formatting, I've highlighted my cells. Click on conditional formatting, and I'm going to go down to new rule. So the first one I'm going to do is a 3 color scale. So the first option at the top here is 2 color scale. So I'm going to format all cells based on their values. I'm going to change this to a 3 color scale. And what I want to do is I want to say if it's 0, it's red, all the way up to hitting their target, which is 20,000 or above, is green. So I'm going to change this to be a number. So I'm going to start that at 0. I'm going to say my midpoint is going to be 10,000, and my highest number is going to be 20,000, which is the target, which is green. You can see down here at the bottom, this is the scale that's going to apply to your data based on what the number is. I'm also going to just change this yellow to a more amber color, which is more in line with the traffic light system. So if you look here, you can see from 0 up to 20,000, it goes from red to sort of a orangey red to a yellowy red, yellowy orange, and then all the way up to green. Click OK, and there's your formatting has been applied. So if you have a quick look here, you can see, for example, uh, in January, Michael was not quite in his target. Alison was hit hers. David almost got his, and she had just started, so she was on 3,000, but she's been ramping up nicely over her first 4 months, and she's hit her target in April. And from here, you can see a nice quick visual overview of how these salespeople are doing. So that's conditional formatting for you. I hope you find this useful.